Welcome back to my channel. It is Karen Sawyer, certified balloon artist, with another quick and easy tutorial. Today you will learn how to make the classic spiral column. The column is 5 feet tall, and when you add a 3-foot topper, it gives you approximately 8-foot tall column. Today we will be learning to make it with 3 colors. Stay tuned. Inflate 11 or 12-inch round balloons to between 8 and 10 inches. Select your 3 colors, and you will get about 40 to 44 balloons. And select your 36-inch or larger top. Then begin to inflate your balloons. If you do not have an electric inflator that has a timer, then you will be sizing your balloons with your sizer or with a chair. The biggest tip I can give you with this design is to be sure that your sizing is precise. Plastic decor is not like organic, so you want all of your balloons to be the same exact size to give you that classic and professional look. To contain your balloons during inflation and to keep them free of dirt and debris, place them in a plastic bag. My tip is to use either a mattress plastic bag cover or a button wrap cover. Now take 2 duplets and create a quad by twisting them together in the middle. X marks the spot. Then go ahead and wrap that into your frame. Just simply slide it on, very easy. Then you're going to go ahead and twist it twice so that you can start your spiral pattern. Then go ahead and take your next set of quads, and you're going to place them and nestle them just like a puzzle. And once again, you're going to twist twice to keep that spiral pattern. Okay, so here is another way that you can wrap your quad in. You can place the 2 colors, the color that is the same side by side, in this case, gold. When you place it on the pole, you simply twist it with the opposing color to keep your pattern. Therefore, you don't have to twist twice. You only need to twist once. So the 5-foot column is complete. You can sell it just as you see it here, or if you want it to be a little taller, 8 foot approximately, then you will add your topper. So to get an 8-foot column, then we will need to add a 36-inch topper. That can be a foil balloon or a latex balloon. You are the designer. The choice is up to you. If you will be inflating on site, then you can completely inflate it to its intended size. But if you're going to be traveling, then I would recommend you underinflate. And then when you get on site, take your hand up. And then, based upon the temperature of the room that you're in, will determine if you need to add more air or not. If you inflate it to its full capacity and you are in an air conditioned room, and then when you go on site and it's a little hot, then your balloon may burst because it will expand. So again, if you're going to travel, my recommendation would be underinflate your foil balloon, and then when it is in the environment where it will stay, then you go ahead and complete the inflation. This will help you avoid your foil balloon from bursting. So now take your flattened 260 and attach it to your foil balloon, and then keep in mind the code on the balloon. Try to put that to the back. Sometimes you can avoid it because they have that code on the front and the back. So do take notice of that code and go ahead and tie the 260 around the pole and then figure eight it between the balloons to tightly secure your tie. This design was truly fit for royalty. Thank you for watching.